Hello, this is an app review of an app I made using React and Laravel backend. So basically, the app uses React as front end and Laravel as backend, and the integration between the two to make like a full stack blog, something like WordPress. So today I'm gonna demonstrate like how much I get of the app done, my planning, my design, and how I handle like the most important things when it comes to the design itself. This is my file structure. This is my Laravel. This is my Laravel project, which is a very simple API that is protected with Laravel Sanctum. If you don't load Laravel Sanctum, is a way to protect API, so no one can make calls to that API unless is authenticated. Obviously, let's say such as the admin or the site manager. So we take an overview of the route I'm using. So here is the login route, which is controlled by out controller, which is the application has only one user is the admin. Something like you get when you get a fresh installation of WordPress, you get a one user. It's called admin. In this app, we have an admin, and the admin have a very basic default login credentials, which I'm planning to let the user later change from the admin panel. We have here our system that controls the user. As I said, I have one user without the ability to create another one, so the user can log out. We can get the user information, and we can update the user later. The rest is articles, categories, tags, pages. We're gonna see once we go to the front side of things. So, demonstration number one, we demonstrate the login. So, for example, if I use a false credentials, for example, a wrong email, we say login failed, and this is based on the request reply. You could show the request message or an error message you get from backend, or you can handle authentication however you want in the front end. But if we use real credentials, which is just admin@admin.com password, which is like just a default installation username, we could do login. I'm planning later to let the user change it here in the account settings, but I didn't work that yet. So far I have this, which you can view posts, you can add posts, and this is where all the magic happens, because this is a very interesting page. We have a required title, we have content, which is an editor that use block style editing. For example, you can add a heading, which is this is my heading. Under it you can add a paragraph, which is this is my paragraph, which is just a block, just in a way just like how HTML works, but no, your end user who has no knowledge of HTML and stuff like that can use this easily to place things in the article. You can you can choose between these, which is just a default AWS tools. You can expand on them. They have even plugins and the ability to develop your own. I implemented image upload inside the article. For example, you can for example go and pick any pic you want, any photo you want, and it shows up here. This is an image inside the article itself, but the article have the ability to have a feature image, something you see in the home page. For example, if you pick this, oh, there's something wrong. Yeah, if you have this picture, this is the feature image. You can delete it and upload another one if you want. Let's try with another one. Pixabay. And this feature image will be stored in the database as feature image, which can be shown in the home page. It can be associated with the article in a way other than this images that get posted here. A post can only have one category, which is like the way you categorize your content inside your blog, app, or wherever. Tags. Tags are very interesting dynamic. This is the tags available in our website. For example, you can pick between them. You can also add new tags by clicking enter. For example, skies, clouds. Tags are different from categories that every tag has many posts and every post can have many tags, but in category you can only have one. So if I post this article, it's actually so fast because we're using the power of single page application with the power of a very fast backend like Laravel, and it's excellent for small application like this. So once we post, we get our article here with the tags that we created, with the correct category, with the title. I also want to mention that the title is unique in a way that you can't create two posts with the same title, because if you do, it's gonna show an error. This is how I organize my articles in the homepage. We have 5. You can load 10. You can load 15. And even if you load a lot, we still have pagination to go between. So, for example, if you load 5, every page is gonna have 5 articles. 3. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching.